Why am I gaining weight? I haven't changed anything, but over the last 4 weeks, I've put on 6 pounds. Why would this be happening?
So, changes in stress.
So the number one thought is changes in stress. My next question is, are you strength training? Are you doing fitness and workouts? So this member, I know the answer is yes. She started strength training 3 times a week, and that was new, in addition to her normal walking and normal cardio workouts.
And so both of those things, like a new activity, can actually change some of the physiology, right? Maybe you are going to retain some more water because of this new activity. You're stressing your muscle cells, so they're going to take on some more water, so that could lead to some increased weight gain. It could change your digestion because you're doing something different, and you need to give your body time to balance itself out in light of that new activity.
And you're likely building muscle.
Right, which is
so you've
awesome.
which is awesome, which is exactly what you want. So you're building muscle, you've got more inflammation because all of a sudden you're challenging your muscles in new ways, and inflammation also has water retention with it.
Right, so inflammation just brings more blood and more liquid to the affected areas, and that can be, it's not edema or anything as serious as that, but it can lead to more water retention. So it is, there's a lagging effect. You just need to give it some time and see where it goes. We sometimes on this keto diet, we're like, I want the changes to happen in 6 weeks. Well, you didn't put on all that weight and get into that health state over the course of 6 weeks either. That probably took 6 years or maybe 26 years. So to give it only 6 weeks and say what's wrong with me, there's nothing wrong with you. Stay the course a little bit longer and see what's happening. Continue to do the healthy activities and things that that you're doing right, and give it some time and see where it heads.
All right, and do things to, do some foam rolling. All right, look up myofascial release videos on YouTube. Incorporate some yoga and some calming activities to give your body time to heal. So if you're very sore, if you're feeling a lot of muscle soreness, that might you need an extra day of recovery. And that doesn't mean sit on the couch recovery. That would mean maybe some gentle yoga. Maybe you take a 45-minute walk, just to get the blood moving.
What they call an active recovery. Mm-hmm. Just warming those muscles up again, stretching them out, not being a lump. Because the more you sit around, the more things like to pool, and the more things pool, the worse things get. Again, that goes back to that lymphatic system. That's why people get bed sores, is because people in beds for a long period of time, their muscles aren't contracting, so they're not moving any of that lymph fluid around, and you get bed sores because there's a lot of immune tissue or immune system in that lymph fluid. So just the activity of moving around is beneficial. So that's an active recovery. An active recovery is a great way to follow up an intense workout on the following day.
Yeah, and then check your sleep, check your hydration, check to make sure you're supplementing and eating correctly to give your body the nutrition it needs as well.